Words don't just describe reality, they shape it. They guide perception, direct emotion, and open or close doors in the mind. In solution-focused therapy, this isn't just a linguistic trick. It's a foundational principle drawn from the theory of constructivism, the idea that people create meaning, identity, and change through the way they talk about their experiences. In other words, language constructs reality. Most traditional therapies focus on uncovering hidden truths, but solution-focused therapy asks a deeper question. What truths do we choose to build? Constructivism teaches us that experience is not fixed. Our stories, our meanings, our struggles, they're not objective facts. They're shaped by the words we use to explain them. So when a therapist asks, "Why are you so anxious?" the answer will follow the problem. But if we ask, "What helps you stay calm even in tough moments?" the client's story shifts. Suddenly they're a person with resources, not a diagnosis. That's the power of the language of possibility. It transforms the client's narrative from pathology to potential, from stuck to evolving, from "this is who I am" to "this is who I'm becoming." Let's take a simple example. A client says, "I'm always failing." An SFT therapist might respond, "Always? Have there been even small times when things worked out?" This isn't denial. It's expansion. It invites the client to revise the limits of their identity. Constructivist therapy doesn't ignore the past. It just doesn't let the past define the future. Instead, we help clients speak a future into existence, one built on choice, capability, and vision. That's why the words we choose matter. We don't ask, "What's wrong with you?" We ask, "What would it look like if things were better?" We don't say, "You're stuck." We say, "What's the next small step forward?" This isn't semantics, it's science. Neuroscience shows that how we frame our experiences shapes our emotional and behavioral responses. When clients begin to use new words, they create new maps for their lives. Maps that include success, resilience, and agency. Language becomes the tool, the bridge, and the blueprint for transformation. This is constructivism in action. It's why solution-focused therapists listen not just for problems, but for language that reveals hope, values, and vision. We amplify those words. We build on them. We reflect them back until they become real. So as you practice solution-focused therapy, remember, every question you ask is a doorway. Every word you use is a brick in the future your client is building. Speak carefully. Speak boldly. Speak in possibility.